Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Wednesday. Well, today, as you can see, we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. We have cross stitches. All right. This bag comes from the DPClubs store, and if they have any discount codes or specials going on, it'll be right in here and in the description box below. Put my scissors away and we'll get to the first kit. All right, let me put that up there and flip it. And as you can see, I have ordered this twice from two different stores. So we now have another copy of this. This is called Cat and Flowers. And it is a 30 by 35 and it was $6.79. But yeah, evidently I thought this was beautiful, so I got it twice. And it has two sets of numbers. Top set goes to the pattern. Bottom set goes to the canvas, which is nice. We have, let's see, how many colors? 35 colors. And it has 33 in full stitch. You have 5 colors in half cross stitch and 3 in back stitch. So we have 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823. They're using 3371 for the dark color and B5200 for the white. I'm not seeing any other colors that are jumping out at me. And it is 123 stitches wide by 154 stitches high. And it is a very nicely printed pattern. And you can see where all the, what do you call them, sunflowers are kind of back stitched. And it is it a partial? No, this is full coverage. So, yay. But it's not very big, so that helps. Does come on the nice thread card, has 2 needles. Let me get this undone here. So, beautiful colors, oranges, yellows. Got your B5200. Here comes the greens, kind of a bittersweet orange here. A pink and kind of some grayish. This is more of a grayish brown. This is kind of a dark gray. And there is your 310 black. So very beautiful colors. And I can't tell how confettied it is because when you look at the pattern, there's too much back stitching to tell. Now this is going to be kind of blobby until you get those back stitches in, but it's very cut and dry. There's not a lot of confetti. Maybe a little bit here and there, but it's sprinkled all over. It does have a nice key on the bottom, nice big numbers, big symbols. So very easy to see. Let's measure this. It is serged all the way around. And it is 35 centimeters or 13 3/4 inches by 11.5 inches or 29 centimeters. The actual picture is 8 3/4 inches or 22 centimeters by 28 centimeters or 11 inches. So nice size, and it is full coverage. It does have bigger areas to stitch, but I wouldn't say it had a whole bunch of confetti in it, so that it will be very nice to work on. Let's take a look at the second one. This one is 43 by 42, $11.79. These are both 11 count. I think all three are going to be 14 counts. Sorry, my bad. Oh, if I can get it out of the bag. Holy Toledo. And as you can see, I got this one again. Holy cow. Losing my mind. But I really do like this. I like the greens, the teals, the oranges. And I'm not sure if the blues are brighter. They're more on the turquoise teal tone. But I really do like this. This has less back stitching in it than the other one. This one is in 6 pages, how it's broken down. 191 by 187 stitches. It's called Flowers in Bloom. And this is more kind of highlighting the flowers, but there's still some back stitching, but very nicely printed. It does have 2 different sets as well. Top one goes to the paper pattern, bottom one goes to the canvas. We have a total of 59 colors in this one, and you have 58 colors in full stitch, 6 colors in half cross stitch, and 12 colors in back stitch. But it's going to bring out all those beautiful, beautiful flowers. But as you can see, it's just kind of highlight where the other one is more precise. So very nice, very nice. Evidently, I like this one too. And this one is a partial, because you can see the white part right here. You don't have to stitch that. You just stitch where the symbols are at. Has 2 thread cards, comes on the nice thread card, and 2 needles, but a wide array of colors. But you can see they're more muted colors in this one. Purples, some reds, lots of colors I have never seen before, or the numbers, that is, I've seen before. And they also have B5200 for the white. And then the other one, lots and lots of colors. Reds, we have 816, 817 for reds. You do have some 310 black. There's your mulberry color, 154. But beautiful, beautiful colors. It has more of an antique tone to it, if you will. I do like that. Let's take a look at the canvas. It's kind of square, almost. It does have a nice big key running along the bottom. And it's big enough that you can see all the numbers and make them out. And if for some reason you can't, you have it on the paper pattern. But very nicely printed. I'm just going to hold this up and hold it as still as I can. This is going to have a lot more confetti in it than the last one. And let's see here. It is serged all the way around, and it's on kind of a off-white color. It's not pure white. It is 41.5 centimeters or 16.25 inches by 16.5 inches or a little over 41.5 centimeters this way. Actual picture size is a little over 13.25 inches or 34 centimeters by 13.25 inches or 34 centimeters. So it's pretty much, it's really close to being square, but yeah, I really did like this. So maybe you'll find this in a giveaway someday. We'll wait and see. Because I know I have duplicated some other patterns as well. Let's take a look at the third one if I can get it undone. Holy cow. It was being a pain. I'm telling you, the bigger the canvas, the more it's stiff. All right, so we have a different one. I know. Hallelujah, right? 35 by 35, 14 count. It's called Autumn Night Black Cat. I really like that. I may change the eye color to kind of a yellow. We'll have to see. But yeah, I just love this with all the autumn flora and fauna. And it was $7.79. It is a partial. It is going to have back stitching. But yeah, I just like the way this looked. Let's take a look at the pattern. It does have 2 sets of numbers. Top one goes to the paper pattern. Bottom one goes to the canvas. We have a total of 43 colors this time. We have 43 colors in full stitch. 6 colors in half cross stitch. You do have 1 French knot and 7 colors in back stitch. But as you can see, this has way less back stitching than the other 2. But very nicely printed, very easy to see. This one is 155 by 152. So let's take a look at those colors. It does have 2 thread cards, 2 needles, and it does come on the beautiful thread cards. I do like that. Ooh, I like that teal. It's kind of a muted teal, if you will, but we've got oranges. We have 3865 this time for white. No 939. We have 938, which is a brown. But beautiful autumn looking colors. Just gorgeous. I do like that. We have a lot of 310 black. So, oh, the cat. The cat is black. So, and maybe highlights and, what do you call it? Back stitching is in 310 black. That's why we have so much of it. But very nice colors. Now, this one is on a white canvas. I'm observing. It is serged all the way around. Ooh, I almost had an avalanche. Let's see, which way does it go? Goes this way. Boy, that is a lot of 310 black. Holy cow. And this one is a little confetti when you get into the details of the garland that runs underneath it. But once you get away from that, it's not bad at all. Nice big areas there for the background. Nice big key. And they all have product numbers on the top and the name with them and how many stitches per stitch. Let's see how big this is. It is 35.5 centimeters or 14 inches by 34 centimeters or a little over 13.25 inches. Actual size is 10.5 inches or a little over 26.5 by a little over 11 inches or 28.5 centimeters. So, yay. But very nice kits. None of them were wet. It's awesome. Just absolutely awesome. And nice, crystal clear. I can't get over how clear that is. So your half cross stitches are going to be in the background as like a shadow. Sometimes they throw them here, there, and inside. But yeah, that cat's going to take a hot moment to stitch, isn't it? Holy cow, that is a lot of 310 black on that bright green. All right, now that is all that I got from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for these 3 gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Now, they do have diamond painting, cross stitch, paint by number, and they have tools and crafts for everything. They always have great prices and a great selection and awesome customer service. I have ordered from them personally, so I have never had a problem with them. Of course, I may have had like a wet canvas, but they've always turned right around and shipped out, you know, a new canvas, making sure that it was perfectly fine, so they will make it good. So that is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.